Well, this is in connection to the Mumbai drugs cruise, the Mumbai cruise drugs bust case here. The Mumbai police has now made yet another arrest. So in total, we're looking at 12 arrests. This latest is the 12th arrest that has been made here, and the arrests happening post the second search that has happened on the cruise ship. Remember, the cruise ship, having completed its cruise, is back on the banks, and it was searched a second time. So this is the 12th arrest here that has now been made by the police. We'll get you more details here on who's this 12th arrest here, what more has been found, because this has been a second search now on that ship. Our correspondent Santhia is getting us all of those details here on this 12th arrest. What more do we know on this here? Santhia, please go ahead.
That count in this case is increasing with every single day. It all started with detention of 8 people, and they were later on shown arrested. After that, yesterday, 2 peddlers, actually 1 peddler and 1 supplier, along with another passenger, was arrested by NCB. Now, another person is shown arrested by NCB. NCB is yet to give out the details regarding this person, his role, the exact time of arrest, because that is going to affect their production in the court. All those details are yet to come from NCB, but the big questions here are still the same: whether Cordelia had any permission from the local authorities and the central government authorities to operate in Indian Ocean waters. If yes, and talking about NCB's role here, how did NCB actually allow the ship to set sail even when they detained 8 people? And why exactly, what actually caused them or led them to believe that there could be more people once the ship actually went in the middle of the water? All these questions are yet to be properly answered by NCB. What they are saying is, as far as the permission part is concerned, they are checking with the central government authorities and the local authorities whether Cordelia had any permission or not. And talking about why exactly they let the ship sail, according to NCB, at that time they had a specific input about only these 8 people, and now NCB is saying that they were in no position to check or search 1,200 to 1,500 passengers who were there on the cruise ship, so they had no other option but to let the ship go. What actually, Seher, made them suspicious was the organizers of the event, who, according to NCB, promised that they will come to NCB office to record their statement, but instead of doing that, they actually hopped on the ship and they left with the ship. So that actually raised suspicion, and after that, NCB said that after that they kept a track, and then once the ship reached Mumbai port again, they intercepted more people that included 3 passengers and organizers also of the event, and 1 passenger was found with hydroponic weed, and he was shown arrested by NCB. And today is like, all these people are likely to be produced in the court today.
Okay. All right, Santhia, many thanks for getting us those details. It includes the organizers, some passengers here as well. With that, we'll have to leave it at that. It's a wrap on the show here.